Okay, hello everybody. I hope everyone be fine. So right now I want to start with my presentation about this final project for the web designer course. So I want to show you first this. This is my page. It's not too much actually, but it's I think good enough. Uh, I took the idea about the flights, about the vacations and show the information for different different trips that you can you can get. So this is how the website looks. So how you can see we have a header, we have a login, we have a couples bottoms here, and we have a message, millions of cheap flights, one simple search, and that's right because it's a really simple search. So I have a couple inputs here, two selects and one bottom right here, and also I have more information about IATA code, something important actually. So keep in mind there. I'm gonna explain first the page, and after I'm gonna show you the code, and in the end, I'm gonna show you how this works. So we have a couple service right here, hotels, car rentals, explore everywhere. So in the future, we can add different service over there. So right here, we have a screen, like a vacation, some image, something like that. So just presentation, um, and also further, right? So right now, I will like show you first the code, how this works. So right here, I have the index. So I have the things that you saw before. And also I have my index.javascript where I have the most important parts about my code. And right here it's not really hard actually. Uh, I just have some cons because I gotta connect the HTML with JavaScript. I have global variables too, and these variables I'm gonna use after in the HTML for get the main information, and after I'm gonna use this main information for get the more specific data from the API, right? So I have a even listener. I have a bottom. So when I press the bottom, I save the data in the global variables, and also at the same time, I call the function fetch flags. So right here is where the magic happens, right? So right here I have this variable. I'm gonna use this right here when I'm calling the API REST. So I use some await, and I call the API. For this project, I'm using Aviation Stack. It's a free API, but also we have some troubles with this API REST because it has like free plans and also has like premium plans, gold plans, and like 10 plans, 10 different plans. So that's a problem when you are working for free because some functionalities are not working for you. For example, the first challenge that I got was right here, HTTP, because normally I'm using HTTPS, but right here I can use it because the free plan doesn't cover it. So right now the normal things I I create new variable products data point to data because I gotta get the information from the API. I got the right, and also that arrive I use after for building my cars. Cars for what? I'm gonna show you after in the website. So, and also I use Parcel for this project. And actually you can see right here because when you add Parcel, you get this directory when you have the same the same files, the same main files, but it's smaller than the others. That's better for the website, right? So, and also I use Yes. You can see here some tests, but the truth is I practice with those tests, but in this project I didn't use for the API because that was a really big challenge for me right now, but I'm working on that and I'm gonna do probably in the future soon. So right here I'm gonna show you, for example, the tests. We wanna see the tests are working. Everything is working, everything is working nice. And also I'm gonna show you the package JSON where you can see my dependencies, yes, and parcel builder, and also my scripts and my type, something important for export and import different information from the from the JavaScript file. So I've used parcel, I use yes, some examples about it, and right now I think it's time for show you how to work the website. So right now, how I told you before, guys, I this is my website, and actually you can filter some files. For example, I'm choosing Cater Airways, and I want get 10 results. So right now I search and I'm getting the data. So I have the most zoom files, right? So you can see the date, you can see the EA, IATA code, so important thing. And if you want to buy, you can buy different ones, and you can choose another one, for example, sub, I don't know, file results, for example, and you get the information for sub. You can see the island right here and the important information over here. You you can see to from where is the trip and until where. So after that, for example, if you want put here, for example, GG set and can, for example. What this means? This means I'm flying from Toronto and I'm going to Cancun. I'm using the Sub airline and I want 5 results. So we want to try and we get 2 results. And the same thing with, for example, if you are in Vancouver, you gotta find first here when say more information, and you can put Vancouver over here. And for what we need to do this? For what? Because we gotta find the code from the airport. So normally when you go to the to other websites, you just put Vancouver from Mexico, whatever, right? But what we said before, this free plan for this API REST, don't let me get the information like that. So I gotta use this. That's why I leave you how we get that added information, because it's easier. You just gotta come to the link, put the city from where are you flying, and you can looking for the city where are you going, and that's it. So I'm gonna put Javier to Cancun, and we wanna try with soup. We wanna see. I think no flies with this one. No, I think this Aperes doesn't have more flights from Vancouver to Cancun. So right now I'm gonna show you again. I just put Qatar Qatar Airways, and I think that's all. 100 results. I don't know. I get a lot of this. I get a lot. Yeah, and this is how this works. So And also for sure, I deploy this to vercel. I deploy this to vercel. Give me a second, guys. I lose it. Well, it's right here. And that's all.